Hey, Sarge, it's him again.
I'll call Captain Reed. Sit over there, Mahoney.
All right, it's cool. Sit and stay there.
What are you in for?
I'll show you.
God damn it, stop that! Oh, no, sir. No, not you.
That's terrific, really. What's your name?
Jones. Larville Jones. Monsignor Larville Jones. M.D.
Let's go, Mahoney.
See you around, Monsignor.
Dr. Monsignor.
I'm Douglas Backler. I always wanted to be a cop. Learn the municipal code, and you will learn them by heart.
Cadet Mahoney, report immediately to the Commandant's office. Cadet Mahoney.
Okay, Mahoney, get going. On the double, move it, move it, move it. Now.
Lieutenant Harris, report immediately to the firing range. Lieutenant Harris.
Excuse me. Callahan, take over.
That's how it's done. Who's next?
That's me!
I'd love it. I'd love to go. I'd love to go. We'll both go.
This is a hell of a way to spend my evenings. I can't even feel my arms anymore.
Hey, Barbara, come here.
Me?
Yeah, come here.
What?
Come on, right here. I want you to give me your best shot.
What?
I want you to hit me. Give me your best shot.
Hit you?
Yeah, come on.
No, really, I suppose
Hit me.
Really, when I go...
Do it now. Come on.
I can't because when I...
Do it. Give me your...
How was that? Was that okay?
Yeah. Yeah, that's good.
Want to ride?
Oh, thanks.
Ring!